Namaskar. Many of you are becoming more health conscious, wellness conscious today. And that's a very good thing because you are recognizing the value of your body. So, today, let me help you on your wellness journey by telling you about 5 categories of food that could help you live a longer, healthier life. The first category we have is green leafy vegetable. Green leafy vegetable like spinach, kale, broccoli, moringa leaves, turnip greens, and methi leaves are nutrient powerhouses. They are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help your body fight against inflammation and oxidative stress. These two things are the major causes of aging. Even some studies have proven that diet rich in leafy greens reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. To use green leafy vegetables, you can use this recipe. The ingredients you need are 2 cups kale or spinach chopped, dressing 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 avocado sliced, 2 tablespoons sunflower seeds optional, 1 teaspoon black pepper and salt to taste. To make this super leaf bowl, massage kale or spinach with little olive oil and lemon juice until tender. Arrange the greens in a bowl and top avocado and sunflower seed. Drizzle with the prepared dressing and serve fresh. Next, we have berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberry contains anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are antioxidant which helps protect cells from damaging and reduce inflammation. There is research that also says that berries can improve brain health and lower the risk of age-related diseases like Alzheimer. Let's make a delicious healthy berry chia pudding. The ingredients you need are half cup almond milk or plant-based milk of your choice, 3 tablespoons chia seed, half cup mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, etc., 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup optional. To make this berry chia pudding, start by mixing almond milk and a chia seed in a bowl. Let it sit for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Refrigerate at least for 3 hours or overnight till it thickens. Layer the chia pudding with berry in a jar or bowl and drizzle with honey or syrup if desired. Next food category that will make you live longer are nuts. Whether it is almond, walnuts or pistachio, nuts are full of healthy fats, fiber and protein. Regularly eating a small portion of nuts can give many benefits like good skin, strong hair, and even improve cardiovascular health. Make this unique nut and herb pesto with whole grain pasta. To include nuts in your diet, the ingredients you need are half cup walnuts or almonds, 2 cups fresh basil or spinach, 1/4 cup olive oil, use of half lemon, salt and pepper to taste, whole grain pasta. Start by blending walnut, basil or spinach, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper into a pesto consistency. Cook whole grain pasta according to the package instructions and toss with the pesto. Serve warm with a sprinkle of crushed nuts on top. Fourth on our list are legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas. These plant-based proteins are rich in fibers. This supports gut health and help regulate blood sugar level. Legumes can also help your body weight control, reducing cholesterol and risk of heart disease. Now, let's make legume and veggie stir fry. Your ingredients could be 1 cup chickpeas or lentil cooked, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 bell pepper sliced, 1 carrot sliced thinly, 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, half a teaspoon of ginger mince. Start by heating sesame oil in a pan and saute ginger until fragrant. Add broccoli, bell pepper and carrot. Stir fry for 5 to 7 minutes. Toss in chickpeas or lentils and soya sauce. Cook for an addition 2 minutes. And finally, we have whole grain like oats, quinoa, and brown rice. Whole grains are fantastic source of fibers, B vitamins, and antioxidants. They have been linked with the lower risk of heart diseases, diabetes, and even certain cancer. Incorporating whole grains into your meal is simple and can make a good amount of difference in your overall health. Now, let us make whole grain perfect. For this dish, you will need half cup cooked oats or quinoa cool, half cup plant-based yogurt, 1/4 cup mixed berries, 2 tablespoons crushed nuts, almonds or walnuts, 1 teaspoon honey. Start by layering oats or quinoa, yogurt and berry in a glass or bowl. Sprinkle with crushed nuts and drizzle honey or syrup. Serve immediately for a healthy breakfast or snack. So these are 5 categories of food that can help you live longer. Add these foods into your diet to get whole range of wellness and benefits. Remember, your body will thank you for making these powerful healthy changes. Namaskar.